In Business Central, we have dimensions. To set up your dimensions, we go to Tell Me and search dimensions. Now I've gone and created some examples here of product type and region. Today we're going to use an example where we're going to track some items by the department and the product type, and we're going to track some customers by customer group and region. Now against product type, I have added, as you can see here, food, furniture, materials. And in region, I've just selected areas. Area 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to have a look at a custom cart and then an item. Let's click customers. I have used a customer called Relic Cloud for this example. In Relic Cloud, there's two ways to open up dimensions. You can click on customer and go to dimensions, or you can go related customer dimensions. I've already previously set a customer group here, and what they're part of is medium, and the region is area 2. I can add extra dimensions if I want, just here, but I'm not going to. We're now going to pick an item that we have in stock. So I can see here that we've got this Antwerp table in stock, 10 units. If I was to actually click on the item, we're going to have a look at its dimensions. There's no dimension button under items, so you're required to go to related item dimensions. Within here, you can see two dimensions I've already previously set on this item. Okay, I want to see the availability of stock by location. Just so we're clear, at this stage there is 10 units in unspecified. Okay. I've checked that. Being that this is a demonstration system, I don't want to go through the whole warehousing process. We're going to do this as a simple sales order. But as I hit the Relic Cloud sales order, you'll see here on this sales order, we're going to go over and select quantity shipped is 1, and quantity invoice is 1. Go post, post, here in the general ledger, we can actually see the document that we've just posted. We can see the impact to the chart of accounts. We can also see against each of these, if we click on entry, you click dimensions, you'll see that all 4 dimensions were tagged consistently, allowing for the breakdown dimensional tracking within the system, as you see here. Thank you.